Now let's see how inflation is measured. The rate of inflation is measured on the basis of price indices. A price index measures the average level of prices of a basket of goods and not that of a single good. The wholesale price index and the consumer price index are the two most reliable inflation indices in India. Before jumping to these indices, let's first understand what a base year is. Base year is the denominator on which current prices are compared. A base period or reference period is a point in time used as a reference point for comparison with other periods. It is used as a benchmark for measuring financial or economic data. In a dynamic economy, the prices of goods and services changes according to the demand and supply. A price index takes the net average of these changes to give a clearer picture of the state of the economy. WPI, or the Wholesale Price Index, is published by the Office of Economic Advisor, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. As the name suggests, it captures price changes in the prices of goods in bulk at the wholesale level. It does not include indirect taxes. It is the weighted average price index of a basket of goods containing 697 items. So basically they take a survey of these 697 items and compare the prices with the base year. Base year for WPI is 2011-2012. Please note that it includes price changes only in goods and not in services. Components of WPI include primary articles, whose weight is 22.6% and is divided into food and non-food articles. Food includes items like cereals, paddy, wheat, pulses, vegetables, etc. And non-food includes items like oilseeds, minerals, crude petroleum, etc. The second component of WPI is fuel and power. Its weight in the total index is 13.15%. The third component is manufactured products. Its weight stands at 64.23%, the highest in WPI. It is also divided into food and non-food articles. The combination of the food articles from the primary articles basket and the food products from the manufactured products basket is known as WPI Food Index. Now let's see the Consumer Price Index. It tracks the changes in the price level at the consumer level, also known as the retail inflation. The index is constituted of those goods that are sensitive to the consumer. It consists of both goods and services. There are different types of consumer price indices used to measure price level at multiple consumer levels. CPI for industrial laborers, CPI for agricultural laborers, CPI for rural laborers are published by Labour Bureau under Ministry of Labour and Employment, whereas CPI Rural, CPI Urban and CPI Combined are published by the National Statistical Office under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The dearness allowance of the industrial laborers is linked to CPI IL and the MG Narega wages are linked to CPI AL. Now here are the components of CPI. Food, beverages and tobacco constitute 45.86 of the total weight of CPI. Pan, tobacco and intoxicants have a weightage of 2.38%. Clothing, bedding and footwear at 6.53%. Housing at 10.07%. Fuel and light at 6.84%. And miscellaneous articles at 28.32%. Now let's do a quick comparison of WPI and CPI. Under WPI, the maximum weight is for manufactured goods. For CPI, the maximum weight is for primary articles. Food has lesser weight under WPI, that is 24%, including both primary food articles and manufactured food products. Food has a larger weight of 39% under CPI. WPI measures inflation at wholesale level, CPI measures inflation at the retail level. Base year for WPI is 2011-12 and for CPI is 2012. WPI is less sensitive to consumer experience. Since CPI captures consumer level data, it is more sensitive to the consumer experience. WPI covers only goods, whereas CPI covers both goods and services. WPI is less fluctuating, whereas CPI is more fluctuating, as prices in retail market keep changing according to the demand and supply. Monetary policy does not take into account WPI for inflation targeting, but it uses CPI as the policy anchor for inflation targeting under the monetary policy framework. Please note that CPI is always higher than WPI, as wholesale prices are always less than the retail prices.